Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0792 indicates a specific issue regarding the intermediate shaft speed sensor A, circuit range, or performance. This particular diagnostic trouble code, DTC, pertains to the continuously variable transmission CVT system in Honda HRV models manufactured from 2016 to 2022. In this scenario, the error signifies an electrical circuit malfunction, which differs from a mechanical fault within the transmission system itself. Therefore, diagnosis and repair focus on the electrical components, specifically the speed sensor and its connection to the powertrain control module, PCM. The intermediate shaft speed sensor measures the speed of the intermediate shaft and relays this information to the PCM to optimize engine performance and fuel efficiency. When the signal from this sensor falls outside specified range or exhibits performance issues, the DTC is triggered, alerting the technician to an underlying problem in the system. The intermediate shaft speed sensor plays a pivotal role in monitoring the speed of the intermediate shaft within the Honda HRV's continuously variable transmission, CVT. This sensor sends vital data regarding shaft speed to the powertrain control module, PCM, enabling the PCM to make real-time adjustments for optimal vehicle performance. The sensor is typically integrated into the CVT assembly, positioned where it can accurately sense the rotational speed of the intermediate shaft. This information is crucial for the adaptive functioning of the transmission system, facilitating seamless gear shifts and improving fuel efficiency. When the sensor detects an inconsistency or malfunction in its readings, it can trigger DTC P0792, prompting diagnostics and potential repairs. The sensor itself is not mechanical, but rather electronic, emphasizing the importance of electrical integrity in the transmission system. The primary cause of DTC P0792 concerns electrical circuit issues rather than mechanical problems. This can include damaged wiring or connectors that impair the electrical circuit connected to the intermediate shaft speed sensor. Over time, exposure to environmental conditions can lead to corrosion or wear on these connections, resulting in signal inefficiencies. Additionally, the failure of the speed sensor itself can instigate this issue, as a non-functioning or malfunctioning sensor will send incorrect signals to the PCM. It is critical to examine the entire wiring harness and connector points for signs of damage, looseness, or corrosion. Understanding these causes aids technicians in systematically narrowing down the issue during diagnostics. When DTC P0792 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest within the vehicle. The most common is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, serving as a warning that something is amiss within the vehicle's engine management system. Additionally, drivers may experience poor acceleration as the transmission's ability to shift gears efficiently is compromised. This can lead to a noticeable decrease in performance, making it difficult for the vehicle to reach optimal speeds. These transmission performance issues are directly linked to the faulty readings from the intermediate shaft speed sensor. Furthermore, unusual noises from the transmission, such as slipping or unresponsiveness, could potentially arise, signaling the need for immediate investigation. Recognizing these symptoms early on plays a vital role in mitigating more extensive repairs down the line. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0792 involves verifying the problem through a series of systematic actions. Begin by turning the vehicle ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to initialize. Once the vehicle is in this state, connect the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the current DTC, effectively resetting the system. After doing this, Switch the vehicle to the off mode, ensuring all electrical systems are safely shut down. This sequence helps to prepare the vehicle for subsequent diagnostic evaluations and can often reset any errant codes that might be due to transient faults. Proper verification is a crucial first step, and any subsequent steps rely heavily on the results of this initial check. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P0792, the vehicle must be securely lifted and prepared for a test drive. This begins with raising the vehicle by using a professional lift, ensuring it is stable and allowing all four wheels to rotate freely and safely. Following this, start the engine and disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system by pressing the VSA off button. This is important because VSA intervention during the test drive could affect the vehicle's ability to respond as expected. Once these preparations are complete, proceed to test drive the vehicle with the shift lever in the D position, maintaining a speed over 19 miles per hour for at least 30 seconds. This driving condition helps emulate real-world operational situations where the intermediate shaft speed sensor should be providing accurate data. After completing the test drive, check again for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS, revealing whether the issue persists. Following the test drive, it is essential to check for confirmed or pending DTCs using the HDS once again. If DTC P0792 is indicated, this confirms that the failure has been duplicated under test conditions. In such a case, continue to Step 2 of the troubleshooting guide, as it confirms the fault present. On the other hand, if there is no DTC present, this may suggest an intermittent fault or a momentary disruption in the system. At this juncture, inspect for poor connections, loose terminals, and verify the integrity of the wiring between the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and the PCM. An intermittent electrical issue may not set a continuous code, but could still indicate an underlying problem requiring attention. This careful examination can often uncover the root cause of the DTC without necessitating immediate part replacement. The fourth troubleshooting step involves checking the performance of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor by rotating the front wheels with the shift lever still in the D position. This process allows technicians to compare the input shaft drive pulley speed RPM and the torque converter turbine speed from the data list shown in the HDS. Monitoring these two speeds is crucial because they should display similar values within specified tolerances to indicate proper sensor functionality. If both values are approximately the same, it means the sensor is likely operating correctly. In this case, you should consider updating the PCM if it does not have the latest software, or substituting it with a known good unit to further confirm if the issue lies with the PCM. Conversely, if the speeds are significantly different, it suggests that the CVT drive pulley speed sensor is malfunctioning, thus necessitating its replacement. Upon replacing the necessary components or making repairs, it is critical to conduct a final verification to ensure the issue has been effectively resolved. Start by rechecking the system functionality by performing another drive test, similar to the previous steps. This drive test should reveal whether the DTC P0792 reappears. After confirming the issue has been resolved, clear any existing DTCs one last time using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure the vehicle's relationship with the PCM is reset. This provides peace of mind that the repair has been successful and that the system is operating smoothly. Verifying repairs through retests is vital to ensure not just the absence of codes, but the overall performance of the vehicle is back to standard. Always make sure to record all changes and testing results for future reference. Preventive maintenance is essential for avoiding future issues related to DTC P0792 and the intermediate shaft speed sensor. Regular inspections of the wiring harness and connectors associated with the speed sensor will help identify any signs of wear, corrosion, or potential breakage before they escalate into systemic faults. Furthermore, keeping the PCM software updated ensures that the vehicle benefits from the latest performance improvements and diagnostic strategies. This is particularly significant, as outdated software may overlook emerging issues. Additionally, maintaining proper transmission fluid levels is crucial to ensure smooth operation of the CVT. Fresh transmission fluid contributes to better cleaning and more effective cooling of internal components, promoting overall reliability. Establishing a routine preventive maintenance schedule can significantly enhance the longevity of your Honda HRV's transmission and minimize future repair costs. In summary, DTC P0792 indicates a fundamental problem associated with the intermediate shaft speed sensor, predominantly stemming from electrical issues rather than mechanical failures. Comprehensive troubleshooting is essential, given that resolving this issue involves verifying and possibly replacing the sensor and ensuring the integrity of electrical connections. Recognizing and acting on symptoms promptly can prevent further complications and costly repairs. The systematic approach detailed in this troubleshooting guide ensures that technicians can arrive at accurate diagnoses and reliable repairs. Through regular preventive maintenance, owners can also reduce the risks of encountering DTC P0792 in the future, preserving the performance and functionality of their Honda HRV models. Proper monitoring of vehicle health ultimately ensures better driving experiences and operational reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.